How's it going, Poke family? This is Jeff back with another video. I got a fun one here. I've got a Journeys Together ETB. They finally brought back the trainer Pokemon. As you can see, I got some of the old ones in the back here. The Blaine's Moltres, Sabrina's Slowbro, Lieutenant Surge Raichu. Raichu's my favorite. So let's hope we can get either like Lillie's Clefairy here. See Zoroark, Hopstation. Got some really cool cards in here, and I believe there is a promo in this. Yep, there's a promo in this booster box too. So let's get this open. I'll show you that. We'll get the right side open this time, and look out for the next video. We'll get this left one, see which one does better. Comment down below which side you guys think will do the best. So let's get this open. All right, got the paper off, so let's open this up. I'm not sure where that card is. It's right on top, and this is one of the first card toppers to be back in a while. They used to be jumbo cards, from what I remember, but this one, you have the in restaurant with the Journeys Together stamp right there. It's pretty cool. Beautiful looking card. So we'll put him next to Blaine's Moltres for now, and see if we get any more hits. We will. Sorry, Sabrina, we'll block your side. So this side, we're gonna do the right, and we're gonna save the left side for the next video. Like I said, comment down below, see what you guys side think will do the best. I'll go with the left. I was gonna save the best for the next video, but let's see what happens. There's your code card. And we have Psychic Energy, Coughing, Shuppet, Hops Corvisquire. Alright, we got the first trainer Pokemon. Ends Silagith, ends Kling, ends Castle, all ends. Hops Sandiconda, I don't know. Lillie's Cutie Fly, Hops Snorlax. I love the art for these with the trainers down in the bottom corner there. You can see in the old ones, they were down at the bottom right. This makes them a little more prominent. All right, so let's open up this Ends Zoroark pack. It's code card. All right, Dark, Ends Cling, Lotad, Nimble, Larvitar, Octillery, Hops Cramorant, Lillie's Pearl, Fungus, spitting some gas out, Larvesta, and Wailord. Wailord has a IR in here that's really cool too. He doesn't belong to anybody, but him and Articuno would be my IR chases in this set. I was looking at this set, and there's really only one card that I wouldn't want to get. That's an SIR gold, which is one of the gold cards. It's like one of the trainer golds. I don't remember, but anything besides that. But watch us get that one. We got the Fighting Energy, Billy and Onair, Pancham, Chino, Betalil, Caparaja, redeemable ticket. I wonder where. Spiky Energy, Lotad, Bombardier flying off in the sunset, and the Magmortar. Alright. Got nothing out of this right side yet, so maybe I was right in saying that left side was going to be the winner. We got the code card, and we'll move that Fire Energy up. Got the Remoraid, Carablast, Torchic, Ligant, Singino, Maractus, Toad Scroll, Reverse Metang, Reverse Rockruff, just out taking a stroll.
Nice.
And Lillie's Clefairy. Not the SIR, but the regular one. Maybe we'll get all of them. The full art, the SIR, and the, well, we already got the regular one here. We'll put it right here next to Ends Reshiram. Let's keep going for this right side. There's a code card. Metal Energy, Piloswine, Uvent, Sprigatito, Hops Silicobra, our regular Hops Corviknight, Greedent, Professor's Research, Drampa,
Nice.
and the Dun Sparse full art. All right. If you've seen one of our older videos, you know how I feel about him. For the longest time, I thought, actually the card we pulled just before in the Drampa here should have evolved from Dunsparce, normal dragon. Would have been awesome. But they thought different over there, and just gave him another segment. Such missed opportunity. But we'll put him right there. So far the right side, we got a full art and a regular EX. There's a code card. And we got Water, Graveler, Dunsparce, Impidimp, Lechonk, Ruffian, Lokix, Combuskin, Celery, Sprigatito, and Magearna. Alright, let's go with this hop. Alright. There is your code card. Grass. Fungus. On the top of that, it just came out of the pack. You can see that there. Beat up already. And Zoroark, Noibat, and Geodude, Regice, Irish Fighting Spirit, Auxiliary, Paldean Wooper Reverse, Togedemaru Reverse, and the Metagross. Alright, my side's not doing too good. There's our Lillie and Clefairy. Hoping for that one. Or the end of Zoroark. Those two are awesome. Alright, let's keep going. Got the Electric, the Cubone. It's always the second card. So the first one is getting beat up. Huh. I'm gonna watch how I open it, see if it makes sure it's not me. And Joltik, Marvesta, Bellum, Alolan Golem, Scavalier, Brock, Hops Wooloo Reverse, Ends Castle Reverse, and Regirock. So far, the right side is not doing too good. That means all those hits are going to be on that left. There is your Iono and her Belly Belt. They also have a SIR. There is your code card. Darkness, Lotad, Centret, and Zoroark, Tropius, Bananas, Weezing, Cramorant, Maractus, Iono's Electrode, that's reverse Iono's card, I believe, Larvitar, and our Mamoswine EX. Alright, we got another EX card here. There he is right there. Mamoswine's one of my favorite Pokemon. When I used him a lot. And Sword and Shield, actually. There is your code card. There is your Psychic Energy, Torkoal, Komala, Coughing, Shuppet, Volcarona, Marowak, Weezing, Mr. Mime, Shelmet, and Hops Double. All right, nothing yet. I've got like a motorcycle or something hanging outside our house. Hopefully it goes away. Don't know why it's just sitting there. Hopefully you guys can't hear that in the video. There's your code card. And we got our fighting. Swine up. Delamice. Black Belt's Training. Shelmet. Cinchino. Toadstool. And Darmanitan. Coughing.
Nice.
The Articuno IR. That's the IR I wanted. And Lillie's for Bombay. Oh, it's such a pretty card. Let's get this sleeved up. That's that motorcycle still going. But, oh, so pretty. I guess it's a car. I just revved its engines. But, so cool. All right. Let's keep it going. Right side's got 6 packs left in there, so 7 packs, including this one. Let's see if you can keep going. There is your code card. And Steel Energy, Hops Corvisquire, and Sigalith, Billy and O'Nair, Banjam, Verizon, Hops Choice Band. Oh, thank you. He finally drove away. Articuno, Black Belt's Training, Billy and O'Nair, and Zoroark. Not the one that we got earlier, but the regular one. Alright, keep going. We got over half of the cards here on the right side. Here's your code card. Water, Rock taking a stroll, Caterpie, Magmar, Hops Wooloo trying to roll away like he did in the game. Low Kicks, Combustion, Alolan Golem. The Fur IR also in this set is really cool. It's like a close-up on his face. The Ins Zoroark and Tyranitar. Alright. Let's keep it going. There is your code card. Got Grass, Minchino, Petalil, Swine, Goofant, Postwick, Cloth. He's looking all bug-eyed. Man. The gym there. Artillery, Hops Corvisquire, and Volcarona. Volcanion EX. Alright. Got the regular EX there. So we've got 4 packs left on this right side. So if you put right down in the comments, I'm hoping for the SIR here in these last few packs. There's your code card. Electric Beldum. Bagon. Wingle. Togagamaru. Scavalier. Iona's Electrode. It looks like she's harder to get than the other ones. Hop seemed the most occurring in here. There's our Volcarona, the Chonk, Remoraid, and the Butterfree. That's cool. I wish they would do an IR, SIR for Butterfree. One of my favorite bug types. Just probably because one of Ash's first Pokemon, and you just let him go. But Butterfree was always cool. I always used them too and when I played Blue. There's a code card. And our Darkness Energy, Sprigatito, Hopsoy Cobra, Fungus, and Darumaka, Michaelon on the couch, Banette, Hops Bag, Whalmer, Choreo, and Noivern Hollow. Alright, 2 more packs. Let's see. We'll take them out. We'll do the last one. We'll do ends. Alright, Iono. Oof. Saw that open. Alright. Your code card. And your psychic energy. Scovet. There's Nelsiri. And Looper. Alolan Marowak. Brock. Verizon Wireless. And Clang. Norbert. And Ludicolo. Alright. So last pack on the right side. Let's see if we can add to the rights. Don't like to open normally, do they? Pull side. See which side wins. Got Fighting. Noibat. Alolan Geodude. Lotad. Centret. Pangoro. Grimmsnarl. Ends PP up. Ruffian. Hot Silicobra. And the Alcremie EX. So it ends with an EX card. Trying to save itself. As Reshiram doesn't count. So looks like we got 3 regular EXs there with the Clefairy, which is pretty cool. The full art doesn't sparse, and I think the best hit from that right side is the Articuno IR. I know that's my favorite card from the poll today. Write your guys' favorite down, of course, and remember to vote on which side. Hopefully you did before we open these, or if you think the left's going to do better. We'll save these up there for the next video so we can compare them to the left side. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to share and subscribe. Have a good one.